AI in 2026 is not optional anymore. It's a superpower. And here's how you can learn it without wasting months. Forget everything you think you know about AI. You don't need to be a coding genius. You don't need a PhD in computer science. You just need one thing: the ability to talk to machines clearly. Think of it this way. AI is the new communication skill. Mastering it isn't about complex algorithms. It's about clear instruction. So, where do you start? Step 1 is to master prompting. And I'm not talking about those fancy one-line magic prompts you see online. I'm talking about structured thinking. This is the foundational skill. Learn how to break down any task you have into simple, logical steps. Give the AI context. What's the goal? Who is the audience? What tone should it use? Then, ask for variations to see how you can refine the output. Do this every single day. Treat the AI like your personal intern. The more you guide it, the better it performs, and the smarter you become at leveraging it. You'll start to see patterns and understand how to get exactly what you want. Step 2 is to stop the tool hopping. Stop jumping between 20 different AI apps. In 2026, depth beats variety, every single time. Pick one powerful tool, whether it's Copilot, Claude, Gemini, or another major platform, and commit to mastering it. Give yourself a 30-day challenge. Your goal is full mastery of that one tool. Dig deep. Learn its unique strengths, understand its weaknesses, and figure out how to push it way beyond its default settings. Most people only scratch the surface. By going deep on one platform, you'll develop an intuition that you can't get from casually using a dozen different apps. You'll become a true power user. Next, it's time for step 3. Build something small. The key word here is small. This is crucial. I don't want you to think about building the next billion-dollar startup or a complex application that comes later. Right now, focus on a tiny project that solves a real, immediate problem for you. For example, you could create an AI-powered spreadsheet that automatically categorizes your expenses, or build an automated email responder that handles common inquiries. Maybe a simple chatbot for your personal website, a generator for product descriptions, or even a tool that helps you brainstorm video scripts like this one. Why small projects? Because they teach you 10 times faster than any tutorial ever could. You move from passive learning to active problem solving, and that's where the real learning happens. Now for step 4. Learn just enough of the tech. No, you don't need to become a developer, but you do need to understand the language of AI. It's like learning a few key phrases before traveling to a foreign country. You need to know the basic concepts that power everything. Take some time to understand what a model is, the brain of the AI. Learn what fine-tuning means, which is how you specialize a model for a specific task. Understand what an embedding is, and how it helps AI understand relationships between concepts. Get familiar with the idea of an agent, an AI that can take actions on its own. And finally, learn the basics of how APIs work, because that's how different programs talk to each other. These concepts are the keys that unlock the entire world of AI. They help you understand what's possible and how to connect different tools to create something truly powerful. Finally, step 5. Join the AI ecosystem. The world of AI in 2026 is moving way too fast to learn everything on your own. You absolutely must connect with others. AI is a team sport now. So, join Discord channels and X communities where people are actively building and sharing. Follow top AI builders and creators on platforms like GitHub and YouTube. Don't just consume their content, copy their workflows. Try to replicate their projects. And most importantly, share your own experiments, even the small ones. Ask for feedback. The community is incredibly supportive, and you'll learn from others' successes and failures. This collaborative environment is your ultimate accelerator. Let's wrap this up. If you start today with these 5 steps, you'll be ahead of 99% of people by the end of the year. It's a simple truth. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI definitely will. The choice is yours. The time to start is now. And if you want a full beginner to pro roadmap to guide you on this journey, just comment AI 2026 below, and I'll share my complete guide with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.